Okay, we got the inline 4. Got everything right here. New style sliding valve. Look at all these parts. Look at the crankcase. But yeah, we about to put this thing together. Oh yeah, that's the bottom of the crankcase. Got the pistons. We got the bigger bore and a longer stroke, so where's the connecting rod? Look at this. This the connecting rod. A longer connecting rod. The crankshaft got counterbalanced things on it. The timing shaft thing, it's a little low. That's why the sliding valve looks like this. So this thing can go in there and just move it up and down, and I ain't gotta separate the shaft. So, and it saves space. So, but yeah, that's everything, and we're about to get started. I turned the light on, so now this is a better view of the cylinders and the counterweight crankshaft. This is crazy. Look, this is crazy. You get a better look at everything. All right, so I'm gonna start by pairing. Wait, not pairing. I'm gonna just put the connecting rods on the counterbalanced thing. Oh yeah, we can't forget about the Gorilla Glue. Got the first one glued together. Look at the counterbalanced crankshaft. Man, I feel like this thing's gonna go well. All right, time to put the piston pin holders in place. Just look at this thing. It looks good. All right, now it's time to put everything in the crankcase. y'all. This the first. It's about to be the first run with the Inline 4 with the air compressor. Nice idle. Thing is smooth. Oh snap. This one specifically doesn't have a high rev, but it's okay. Look, it got power though. It has torque. Listen to that idle. Let me see if I can show you the exhaust. Yeah, that's how that exhaust running. Yeah, doesn't rev very high right now. I don't know if it's because I'm using too much pressure or what, but I will figure it out. Probably need a bigger flywheel. Matter of fact, hold on. Okay, so I just added the flywheel for my V4 onto there. So now I really got like 2 flywheels on it. I glued it down, and I'm about to see if it runs differently. That was top RPM. I wonder what it is. I wonder if I can figure this problem out. But it sounds good though. Yeah. lot of torque. There we go. Low RPM right there. It look like it's going in slow motion.